Hi guy, welcome back to the channel. If you are a Pokemon Go enthusiast, a Monster Hunter Now player, or you just want to change your phone's location, you've probably heard of iMyFone Anyto. It's the best iOS and Android GPS location changer, helping you easily change your location with just one click. It's also the safest Pogo and MHN spoofer without third-party cracked tools, allowing you to get rare Pokemon and level up quickly in the game. So, is the excellent Anyto free? And does the iMyFone Anyto crack actually work? If you're interested, let's get started. First of all, iMyFone Anyto offers a free trial for new users. To explore its features, you'll need to subscribe to unlock the full range of capabilities. Now you might be wondering, are there cracked versions out there? Are they safe to use? Using cracked software is risky business. You might end up with malware, face legal issues, or who knows where that cracked software even came from. Luckily, iMyFone Anyto offers a free trial. Let me show you how iMyFone Anyto works. Click the link in the comments to download iMyFone Anyto. There are two modes. I'll first show you game mode first. First, open the App Store and launch Pokemon Go. Next, click on the link in the comments to download the latest version of Anyto. Connect your iOS device via USB or Wi-Fi, then select the game mode, then connect your PC via Bluetooth, then once connected, you're all set to enter the map. Before changing your location, make sure to set up the VPN as per the instructions on the page. When you see the VPN icon on your phone, it means you've connected successfully. Just select Jump Teleport mode, enter your desired location, click Move, success. You won't get the failed to detect location 12 error message at all. Anyto also supports various location adjustment modes. Want a little more fun? Try the 2-spot mode. Just tap onto locations on the map, and you can move directly between them in multi-spot mode. You get even more locations and route options, and you can save your routes for next time. For Pokemon Go, we highly recommend using Joystick mode for an immersive experience in discovering and catching Pokemon with Joystick mode. You can go anywhere and catch Pokemon in an immersive experience without having to walk outside. Look, it worked amazing, right? Now let me show you how to use Universal mode. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer and open the app on your Windows or Mac and select your device. Step 2. Once connected, make sure you're in teleport mode. First, let's locate American and then select Move. Now, we've moved to Iceland. Let's check on my iPhone. I'll open Maps and it shows that I'm in Iceland. Let's verify with another app, like Find My. There it is, showing the same location. We successfully fake location on Find My iPhone. Now you are free. You can choose your own location to avoid being tracked by others, or you can play jokes on your good friends. Don't miss out. Click the link in the comments to download and try it for free. Grab the lowest Christmas price for Anyto. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.